Crunching sound of leaves. The sound made red dry leaves are crushed under the feet. Thank you. Over to my friend.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் தனிஷிகா. நான் 3ஆம் வகுப்பு இ பிரிவில் படிக்கின்றேன். திருக்குறள் குறள் 77. என்பிலதனை வெயில் போல காயுமே அன்பிலதனை விளக்க. எலும்பு இல்லாத புழு போன்ற உயிரினங்களை வெயில் வாட்டுவது போல அன்பு இல்லாதவர்களை அறம் வாட்டும். நன்றி. Happy morning. My name is Harish Kumar. I am studying the strategy section. Today I am going to share some amazing facts. See now, number 4 is a only word without same amount of water. The water produces about 1 liter of saliva per day. Sea turtles can live for more than 100 years. Butterflies can taste sweet with legs. Ants never sleep. Bats are only mammals that can fly. Camels have 3 eyelids to protect their eyes from sun. A cockroach can live for more week without its head. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. Thank you, girlfriend. Happy morning to everyone. My name is Kubunsai. I am studying in 3rd C. Today I am going to speak on the importance of time. Time plays a significant role in our life. We should utilize every single moment till the end of our life. In this world, time is of supreme power. It depends upon how to use it. Using time wisely will make our lives happier and full of prosperity and joy. However, if we misuse it, there is a chance that we may lose everything and ruin our life. We must engage ourselves in practicing good things. Here are a few tips that can help with time management. Wake up early in the morning. It makes your day longer. Start each day by compiling a to-do list. Keep track of time spent on different tasks. Organize yourself. Remove non-essential activities. Plan ahead and make sure you start each day with a clear idea of what needs to be done on the day. In conclusion, time is one of the precious things we have. We must respect the time and value of it to do wonders in our life. If we have realized the importance of time until now, then it's not too late. The best time to do this is in the present, wherein we can build a rocking future. Thank you. Over to my friends. Happy morning. My name is Kritik. I am studying the chemistry section. Better report. Today's temperature is 27 degrees.